Hi. You got the smiles for the mommy? Yay! Eat your toes, eat your toes. Go eat your toes. Eat your toes. Eat your toes. Those taste good, huh? Think those taste good? I'm gonna eat your toes. Are you all done? Are you all done, Mr. Big Eyes, huh? Oh, got the scary eyes. I'm gonna get him. Oh, fire in the hole, huh? Eat your toes, you crazy boy. Oh, your toes caught. Alright, bye-bye, Grandma. Bye-bye.